Welcome to my channel All About It. In this video you will learn about the benefits of adding a leave-in conditioner to your hair care routine and how to use it effectively to get shiny, soft, healthy hair. A leave-in conditioner or leave-in hair treatment is a conditioning product that is applied to washed hair and stays on your hair until the next cleansing. It's not like a regular conditioner that you have to rinse out after a few minutes. Conditioners only take a few minutes to penetrate the hair shaft, but when it's not rinsed out properly, what is not absorbed by the hair can create buildup on the hair strands. A leave-in conditioner is used to add extra conditioning to your hair and to provide it with a lot of moisture and softness. This product comes in many different forms like liquids, thick creams, and sprays. You only need to apply a small amount focusing on the ends and other dry areas. First, squeeze out excess water before applying the leave-in conditioner. If your hair is dripping wet when you apply it, some of the conditioner can drip out right along with the excess water. Next, apply the leave-in conditioner to hair while it's damp. Do not let your hair get completely dry before you apply your leave-in, or it might not absorb into the hair. A leave-in conditioner can be sprayed onto towel dry hair and then combed through to the ends. After applying the leave-in conditioner, you may style your hair as you usually do. If you use leave-in hair treatments with silicones, use a good clarifying shampoo occasionally to remove any unwanted residue left behind. Don't use leave-in conditioner every day. Our hair needs a break from regular conditioning because it leaves behind loads of product that can create buildup in hair. Here are some benefits of using a leave-in conditioner. Using a leave-in detangles knotted hair and softens hair. A leave-in treatment fortifies hair to resist breakage, smooths split ends, and helps with length retention. A good leave-in conditioner contains ingredients that add slip and softness to hair, making the detangling process a lot smoother so that you can easily comb through it and section it. Using a leave-in conditioner will make your hair more manageable and easy to style, giving you a more defined and neat look. Using a leave-in conditioner moisturizes dry hair. Many people use leave-in conditioner to eliminate dryness and brittleness from dry hair. The main purpose of leave-in conditioners is to provide further moisture and keep hair hydrated. Water-based leave-in conditioners penetrate the hair strand easier than oil-based products and leave the hair feeling hydrated and nourished for longer. With the right amount of moisture, your hair will avoid problems like breakage, frizziness, and split ends. Using a leave-in continues conditioning and refreshes your hair. Many leave-in conditioners use various types of proteins, oils, and water, and because it's left in the hair, the nutrients will continue to work throughout the days to follow. Using a leave-in conditioner extends the feeling of healthy hair. Using a leave-in protects hair from environmental damage. Leave-in conditioners are designed to coat your strands and to protect your hair from the damaging effects of environmental agents. Too much sun and swimming in chlorinated or salt water pools can dehydrate hair, causing color fading, brittleness, and split ends. You can spray your hair before swimming in a pool to prevent the chlorine and salt from damaging it. Extreme winter cold outside followed by dry heat indoors can make hair rough and dry. Using a leave-in acts as a barrier against heat. Before using a hot iron or a blow dryer, you need to use a heat protectant to protect your hair from the possible damaging effects of heat. A leave-in hair conditioner functions as a heat protectant, providing an extra layer of protection against damage that can be caused by thermal appliances. Use a leave-in conditioner prior to styling to keep most of the moisture in your hair and to prevent your hair from getting too dry once it's blow dried. Using a leave-in combats frizz. A leave-in conditioning treatment should enhance hair softness and provide lasting frizz control by locking moisture in the hair shaft. Adding a leave-in to your hair care routine strengthens your hair. Including a leave-in to your hair care routine will get your hair stronger over time. Your hair will be free from breakage and dryness, while constantly absorbing the proteins your hair needs to become stronger and healthier. Using a leave-in adds shine to color-treated hair. Leave-in conditioning treatments revitalize damaged color-treated hair and protects hair from UVA, UVB rays, and other environmental factors that can lead to discoloration of hair. After applying a leave-in conditioner to your hair, the color is likely to look shinier and vibrant. The product adds a glow to your hair color and helps stop it from fading. You have to choose your products wisely because some conditioners are made specifically for colored hair, damaged hair, heat protection, and more, so you need to get the one that suits your needs. A light leave-in spray is better for fine hair, and for medium to thick hair, a cream or gel would be better suited to handle volume. I currently use Aussie Hair Insurance leave-in conditioner spray. I will make a video on it and put the link in the description box. I also have a video on Cantu leave-in cream that you can already check out. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll gladly answer it. And also feel free to comment about your experience using a leave-in. I'm curious. What is your favorite leave-in conditioner? Please leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day.